Good morning, lovely students. I hope you all are good and enjoyed your weekend a lot. So, today we have three friends with us. Let's see what happened one day. So, students, one day three friends, Andy, Annie, and Amy, went to a fun fair and they were very happy as they saw lots of stalls there. At the one side there were food stalls and at the other sides there were lots of game stalls. So Andy, Annie and Amy decided to play bursting balloon game. All of you like to play games? Yes, so similarly they also like to play games and they decided to play bursting balloon. So they went to the stall and started bursting balloons. And let's check the number of balloon burst by Andy. His score is 421. So he bursted 421 balloons. Now you all are very well aware of place values. So what you can see here? Here we have 1 at ones place, 2 at tens place and 4 at hundreds place, right? So the place value of 4 is 400. That means 4 into 100 is equal to 400. And here we have 2 tens. So the place value of 2 is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. And 1 at ones place. So the place value of 1 will remain 1. Right? Now let us write this number as the sum of place value of its digit. Thus we get 400 plus 20 plus 1 and it is called expanded notation of the number. So what does expanded notation means? Expanded notation means writing the number as the sum of the place value of its digit. उसकी डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू के सम के रूप में उस नंबर को लिखना इज कॉल्ड इट्स एक्सपेंडेड नोटेशन. जैसा यहाँ हमने एंडी के स्कोर को दैट इज 421 उसका हमने एक्सपेंडेड नोटेशन लिखा उसकी डिजिट्स की प्लेस वैल्यू के सम के रूप में. जैसे यहाँ डिजिट्स थी 421 दैट इज 400 प्लस 20 प्लस 1. गॉट इट एवरीवन? नाउ we can see here it is written that 400 plus 20 plus 1 और ये भी हमने पढ़ा it is the expanded form of the number 421. So we can write it in its standard form by placing it in place value chart. Standard form में भी हम इस नंबर को लिख सकते हैं. कैसे? By placing it in place value chart. And सबने place value chart में लिखना सीखा था. So here we have 4 at hundreds place, 2 at tens place and 1 at ones place. So the number is 421 and when we will write it as 400 plus 20 plus 1 तो इसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Expanded form. But जब हम इसे कंबाइन करके प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में डिनोट करके एज अ नंबर लिखेंगे दैट इज 421 इट इज कॉल्ड इट्स. सो अब अगर आपको कोई भी नंबर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है तो आप उसे एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में इजीली लिख सकते हैं. एंड अगर आपको नंबर एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है तो आप उसको प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में डिनोट करके इजीली उसका स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लिख सकते हैं. गॉट इट एवरीवन? Now let's move forward and check the score of Annie and Amy. So here there is a competition going between all of three and the score of Amy is 125. So let's denote his score in expanded notation. So here again we have 100, 2 tens and 5 ones. So 100 means what is the place value of 1? 100. What is the place value of 2? 2 into 10 is equal to 20. And what is the place value of 5? Because it is at ones place, so its place value is 5 itself. So the expanded form of 125 will be 100 plus 20 plus 5, and again its standard form will be 125. Got it everyone? Now let's check Amy's score. Amy has bursted 359 balloons. So let's write the expanded form of Amy's score. Here we have 3 hundreds, 5 tens and 9 ones. So according to the place value of digit 3 will be 300, 5 will be 5 into 10 50 and 9 will remain as it is 9. So here the expanded form of 359 will be 300 plus 50 plus 9. So it is the expanded form of Amy's score. And what will be the standard form? 359 is the standard form. Got it everyone? So students, can you tell me who won the competition? Right, Amy won the competition by bursting maximum number of balloons, that are 359. Right. So I'm sure you must enjoy learning at this fun fair. So now I hope you can easily write the expanded notation of the given number and its standard form also. Right. So that's all for today's class. Stay home, stay safe